Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. Now, welcome back to our YouTube channel, which is dedicated to helping you reach your highest potential as singers. So today we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is setting ambitious goals for your singing careers. Now, are you ready? Are you ready to challenge yourself, to dream big and to strive for excellence? If that is a yes, then let's dive in. As singers, we possess a remarkable gift, the power to move hearts and captivate audiences and making a lasting impact through our music. But to truly unleash our full potential, we must set our sights on ambitious goals that really push us beyond our comfort zone. When we're beyond our comfort zone, that is when we grow. Nothing ever grows in our comfort zone. I encourage each and every one of you to think about what you aspire to achieve as singers. Is it mastering a challenging vocal technique? Is it conquering stage fright? Or is it performing in a renowned venue? Whatever it may be, let us dare to dream. To dream big and aim high. I love the quote, shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. You gotta aim high, but setting ambitious goals not only fuels our motivation, but it also propels us to grow as artists, It really pushes us to stretch our limits, explore new territories, and evolve as singers. Remember, it's through facing challenges head on that we truly discover our hidden strengths. So here's your challenge for today. Take a moment to write down your biggest aspirations as singers, visualize your dreams, and create a roadmap to turn them into reality. Break down those audacious goals into smaller, achievable milestones and commit to really taking those consistent actions towards them. Now, you're not alone on this journey. You can join our Voice Savvy app community where we can support each other, inspire one another, share goals, exchange advice, and celebrate each other's victories no matter how big or small. Together, we can create a powerful network of encouragement and accountability. But today, I want you to embrace your ambition and set audacious goals for your singing careers. Believe in your capabilities, trust in your talent, and let nothing hold you back. With perseverance and dedication and unwavering support in our Voice Savvy app community, we can achieve greatness together. Remember, shoot for the moon, and even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if this is your first time on here. And you can download our Voice Savvy app on the App Store or Google Play. Join our community, and together, let's make a difference, through the power of our voices. Let's make a difference. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.